Hi everyone, it's Liam from Blackpool Automart. I hope you're all okay. And today I've got a quick video walk around of this 2018 Volkswagen Polo. Now of course you get your little LED corner lights, which are your daytime runners. You then also get these brilliant silver painted alloy wheels, which are a 15-inch alloy. I will go into each and every one, just so you can get an idea of the design pattern and condition of these alloys. Coming around to the rear now, you can see that it is on a 68 reg. Coming into the tailgate now, we've got plenty of room in here, including 60-40 split flat folding rear seats. So they will fold flat with the boot floor when the floor is on the upper level. You can simply pull up, push back down, like so, and it will drop down to increase boot capacity for any larger objects that you want to keep in there. Then coming around again, just showing you the rear alloy just here. In the back of the car now, we have full cloth black interior with little bits of leather as accenting for the entirety of the inside. You've got full electric windows all round. Coming into the front, you then have your 5-speed manual gearbox. We've got your aircon controls in the middle, and then of course coming up to the touchscreen display, we have your radio bands just here. We've then got your media sources just in the bottom left again. We then also have your App Connect, which enables Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Then over to the steering wheel, we've got your audio controls on the left, onboard computer controls and voice assistant on the right. Your cruise control is on the indicator stalk, and as you can see, this car has only done 52,132 miles. Jumping back outside the car now, showing you the last remaining alloy. If you do of course require any further information on this Volkswagen Polo, don't hesitate to get in contact with our dealership, and one of our sales team can provide you the personalised video. We thank you for your time, and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Automart.